Hey guys, Digital Mentor here. Today I'm going to talk to you about how to earn $300 by typing names online, and this is available worldwide. But before we get into this video, if you're looking to figure out what my #1 recommendation is for making money online, it's the first link in the description below. If you find this video helpful in any way, please give it a thumbs up and make sure to hit the bell icon in the corner to get notifications for future videos. So today we're going to talk about how to earn this $300 by typing names online, which is super easy. Like I said before, it is available worldwide. So you do not need to be a US citizen to be able to make money this way. It's simple and it's easy, and I'm going to teach you a little hack on how to make it even quicker for you to get yourself going on a site called Squad Help. So today we're starting on Squad Help, and as you can see, this is a site where businesses go to, newer businesses usually, to look for new names, taglines, slogans, and logo designs. Today we are going to focus on naming businesses. Now, in order to make money online through this site, you are going to need to sign up for a free membership, enter all of the requirements needed for you to sign up. You're going to create your account. You're going to do your first name, your last name, your display name, email, password, and then you're going to confirm. Then you're going to want to join as a creator, not a buyer, a creator, because what you're going to do is create a brand, a name, a logo, and try and turn these businesses into the next, like Reebok, Under Armour, help them turn their company into a well-known brand name. So once you've created your first account, you are going to come to a page that looks similar to this one. Now you're going to go down, well, let me just show you, for starters, some of the winners to show you that this is a legit way to make money, that people are making money every day. So as you can see, there's $250 awarded, 100, 100. I'm going to keep scrolling down. There's 300, so that's a big fish. 100, 100, 200, 150. So as you can see, there are people really making money. Ooh, 350. I know everybody can definitely use an extra 100, 150, $350 in their bank account every week, every day. I know in our household, it like would cover a whole bunch of extras for us and our family. So getting into this, I did some research about Squad Help, and this is an awesome way to make money. They have incredible reviews, lots of stars, because I was a little skeptical. How are you going to make money by entering names online? So I did the research, and this is a really awesome way to get yourself started to making an income from home. Now you can do this at home, you can do it in a coffee shop, you can do it with your kids being crazy, running around. All you really need is some internet, a phone or a laptop or a desktop, and you can get yourself going. With that being said, guys, I am going to shoot over and show you how to look up potential contests to enter yourself into. And you're going to want to go to contest and scroll down to active contests and click on that. Now, once you get there, you're going to see that there are a bunch of contests. Right now, I am looking in the fitness category, but as you can see, there are a bunch of categories. There's automotive, beer, wine, spirits, fashion, clothing, education, and the list just goes on and on and on. Now, when you look in these contests, it'll tell you how many entries there have been in the contest, how much the contest is offering to award money, and exactly how long you have until the contest is up. So it's really cut and dry. You can also fill out a filter to try and figure out all the different things that you're looking for. Like if you only want to do contests that are awarding $100 to $199, you can click that too. Or you can also be awarded $300 or $150. Now, they make it really easy for you to just scroll through and figure it out. There are a bunch of contests. So once you've found the contest that you want to do, you're like, how am I going to come up with all these ideas? All I want to do is enter names online. Here's where the trick comes in. Once you find your contest and the one that you want to do, you are going to go over to a site called Shopify Business Name Generator, and this is where it's going to get super duper easy. Now, once you've clicked over to Shopify Business Name Generator, you're going to want to enter the name of the category that you're looking up. So in our case, we are looking at fitness. And they're going to come up with a whole bunch of different names. There's Fitness Paramount, Fitness Clip, Fitness City, Fitness Cell, Fitness Keep, Fitmetric, Fitaholic. I really like Fitaholic, so I think I'm going to pick that one. If I were to be entering in one of these contests, that would be the one that I would pick. Now, once you have the name for the contest that you're going to enter, you're going to want to look for a domain as well to enter into the contest. So, how do I find out what domains are available? You are going to open a new tab, go to Google, and look for domain R. Now, you're going to have to scroll down a little bit, and there it is. You're going to want to click on it, and then you're going to enter, like, right in the search, all domains, you're going to enter the name that you looked at on the Shopify Business Name Generator. So we're looking at Fitaholic. All right, so fitaholic.com is taken, but fitaholic.net, .org, .co, .io, .app, all of these are available to use, which is an awesome, awesome thing for you. Personally, I prefer .net or .org. You can also use .io, but all the other ones, I don't know if I would go to it if that was like a site listed for me to go to. So what you would do is you would take your business brand, your name, and the domain over, and that's how you enter yourself into a contest. So one contest down. And if you do this over and over and over, which we can do it one more time, just go through the steps really fast for you, you are going to eventually win one of these contests. So we're going to head back over to categories really quick. We are going to pick, I don't even know. How about, we'll try marketing, see how that goes. Now that we have our category, we are going to pop back over to Business Name Generator and look at marketing. See what pops up for us. Now, depending on what kind of marketing you're using, flip marketing, direct marketing, auction marketing, they have a bunch of different names that you can use for your contest, which I kind of like. Direct marketing, maybe swap marketing, just whatever stands out to you and really grabs your attention. Right now we're going to use direct marketing. Now once you've picked one, we're going to hop back over to domain R and see what we got for direct marketing. Direct.marketing is taken, but direct markets is available, I believe. I like directmarket.i.ng. So if this were me, that would be the one that I would pick and choose, and I would just keep entering in contests. You want to spend at least 30 minutes a day entering into these contests. You're going to want to enter at least 3 to 5 contests per day, because from what we were seeing earlier, is there are going to be a bunch of entries per contest. So as many as you put yourself into, the more chances you are of being able to be awarded some money and really starting to gear up and be able to work online and make money just entering names. So the last thing I want to take a look at is the leaderboards, because it is pretty amazing how much money you can make doing this. As you can see, there are people making like crazy money. This top guy is making $11,828. If you keep scrolling down, there's someone who has made $47,000. Another guy $4,000. Another guy $3,900. So it is possible to make a bunch of money, like an absolute boatload of money, entering contests on here. but you get what you put in. So you need to definitely, like I said before, make sure you set aside 30 to 45 minutes a day, entering in as many contests as you can. It increases your odds of winning. If you found this video helpful in any way, please give me a thumbs up. Make sure to hit the follow button. Make sure to hit the bell icon to get notifications for future videos. But if you want to know my #1 recommendation for making money online, it's the first link in the description below. Thanks a lot, guys.